Now we see about map function is here JavaScript. Let me see about that. What is the map function which is used to perform the common operation to all the elements of the function, which means that if you given a one function name, it will perform that functionality, that operation to each and every element of an array. Okay. What its order? Its order it's similar to the original array, and if operation is performed and that is created the new array, it's a map function that never affects the original array. It will store into a new array. Let me see about how it's working in these topics. It's here. Let me see about the predefined function in a map and how it's used that into a custom function and how it's used in an array. Let me see about this in a practical demo. Let me see about that. Here I am creating the absolute value system, one of the function. Here I am using the JavaScript predefined function absolute. Absolute, it means work on. If it is a negative number also is considered as a positive number. This is the functionality of the absolute in JavaScript. Let me see. Here I am creating number as an array, and after that I am passing that array to an map with absolute function. It will return 2, 5, 16, 25. Even it minus 5, minus 16 also negative number. It will remain as a positive only through an absolute. Let me see about this output. It will return as in 2, 5, 16, 25. This is the purpose of the absolute function in a JavaScript. Okay, this is the predefined function is used passed to the array to the map. Let me see about how it's working on the predefined function. Here I am creating one function square. It is square. I will write it for this for performing the square of the array values. Here passing the parameter and will return the square value to this. Okay, here I need to change the construct name. Here instead of predefined function name, I need to define my custom function name here. Okay, here let me see. Here I am writing console log also. It will show in the output in a developer tool of the console log. And let me see the output of this. Here show here what is the square of the 2. It will return as 25, and 5 square is 25, and 16 square is 256, and 25 square is 625. It will perform the square operation to the array of each and every element, and the output will be displayed like the list of an array. It is also stored as a different array. It never affect the original array value. Let me see about how it's work on the array of the array. Here I define the person as a multi-dimensional array. Here I define a full name as it is full name as and combined into a single name, first name and last name, and combined in join to the join function. Here I need to tell about what is the join function. Join function is used to combine the values of the array with a particular it may be a space, it may be a special character. Here I denote that space as my join character. It will join the item first name and last name, and the two with the it will separated by the space. Okay, there, and also I append my result to the HTML p tag. Okay, here let me see what is the output of this program into the in a map function. Let me see about that. Here I define person as an array. I pass that into a first name and last name and join that into a space, and then after that result values I pass that into a content of the p tag. Let me see the output of this. Yeah, we will get the separated of the two in the array elements as the space. If I put the special character here, it will denote this is the separator of the two elements of an array. Let me see. Dollar and space is the separator of the array. Hereafter we can give anything here. Here space is the suitable for my thing, so that I define the space as the separator of the two things. Okay. This is the map function that will work in the RX.